because gold is really, really heavy. Okay, so what I do is I take my shovel and I fill up my pan. So my pan is all full. Then what I do is I put it back in the river like this, and I shake it under the river. And when I'm shaking it, all the light material is flowing away from me downriver. And at the same time, when I'm shaking it, because gold is heavy, the gold is going to settle at the bottom of my pan. Then I lift it up like this. I make sure those ridges are away from my body like that. So turn your pan around like that. Okay, I tilt my pan, right? Now the most important part about gold panning is the water. Always keep a lot of water in your pan. It's the water that's going to dislodge the gold from all your material. So always keep a lot of water in your pan. And then what I do is I shake it side to side, just like this. And you see how much those rocks are moving? We want our rocks to move like that. It's not a swirling motion and it's not a flipping motion. It's a side-to-side motion, just like this. And if I get low on water, I go back in and I put more water in. And I keep on shaking, just like that. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead. Everybody put your pans in the water. Fill up your pans, and then pick it up. Tilt your pan away from you, and shake it side to side. Good job.
Shake it a little bit.
If you get low on water, put more water in.
Give me the bean.
Water is really important. If you know any songs, now's the time to sing. Okay, look at them stop right there. You're doing a great job. Okay, now watch me again carefully. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch positions of my hands. So now I'm going to put my hands just like this. So put your hands like mine. Like mine. There you go. All right. Now watch me carefully.
How many porters
What
do
I'm
you
going to do, okay, let's keep your pan up here like that. Good job. Okay. Now put your thumbs like that. Oh, put your thumb like that. Yeah, good job. Okay, now watch me carefully. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back in the river like this, and now I'm going to slowly turn my pan all the way over. Those rocks are going to start to fall out, and that's what we want. Okay, now I'm going to lean over. I'm going to look inside my pan and make sure I'm not going to lose any gold. All right, now, you see how my pan is about straight up and down? Now we're going to go up and down, just like that. Now, if we end up with a few rocks in the bottom, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to shake it back down again like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean it over again and get rid of those rocks. Now, if I have a very stubborn rock in there, it's hard to come out. What I'm going to do under the water over my pan, I'm going to take that rock, shake it over my pan, because if there's gold attached to it, it'll fall right back into my pan. And then I'm going to get rid of that rock. Okay? And then we end up with a little bit of gold in the bottom of our pan. Okay? So that's what we have. So you see the little gold? All right, so that's what we're going to be looking for. Okay, so very slowly put your pans in the water. In the water first. And then turn it. In the water. Keep going. Good job. Look at that gold. You got gold.
Wow. Oh, look at that gold. Norn, you got gold. Yay. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Yep.
Before I got gold. Dad, don't touch the gold.
Touch the gold. You got some gold too. Whoa, Parker. Oh, you got gold.
There's one more walk.
Let's go. Let's go.
Now we have a rule that we have to follow, and that rule is finders keepers. Okay? Is that a good rule? That's a good one. Okay, well leave a little bit of water in your pan and bring it around over here and I'll save it for you.